Hey everyone, as we know over the past few weeks, so many mysterious drones are found in California in the form of UFO. Let's check the reality, it is a drone or UFO. Many people have also made of it video and they said it is a UFO. And everyone said that the alien have arrived on earth. But it is not real because the government working on blue beam project. Many people have made video of this on social media so people can think these are aliens and they are landed on earth. But why does talk about alien or UFO happen only in America? We know that beside us there are other living on this earth too. So and the topic, what do you say guys, aliens are really exist? Sure, do comment and give your opinion. And I hope that you all like my video and give your opinion and don't forget to subscribe my channel.